Hello, my name is Miss Bree and I'm a children's specialist with St. Paul Public Library. Welcome to Baby Signs. In Baby Signs, we will learn sign language that you can use when communicating with your little one. Baby Signs is geared towards children ages newborn to 24 months, but you can certainly teach older children these signs as well. The muscles in baby's hands develop faster than those required for speech, which means that baby is able to communicate with us well before they learn to speak. And teaching baby sign language is a way to bridge that communication gap. So today, I will show you the sign for eat. So to make the sign for eat, you are just going to bring your hand clasped towards your mouth as if you were bringing a piece of food to your mouth. So eat. And eat is the same sign as food. When using baby signs, you will always want to say the word as you are making the sign, eat. And you will need to repeat the sign regularly before baby starts signing back. And this sign is great for mealtime. You can sign eat when you first give baby food, while baby is eating, and when baby is all done to reinforce the sign. And your baby will love being able to tell you when he is hungry, and this sign often persists well into toddlerhood, even after they've mastered saying eat. Thank you so much for joining Baby Signs. See you next time. Bye-bye.